everybody, this is Melanie. Welcome back to Crafting Chaos with Melanie. I hope everybody's doing good today. In today's video, I am going to show you one of my albums that I've made for the Italy wedding. My son, I have two weddings this year. Both my sons are getting married this year, so my life is chaos right now. And first, I want to say I know my upload schedule is a little off. I will get back on track. It's just I am so crazy busy right now. It's hard getting everything worked in. But I was just on a live with Maymay Made It from MaymayMadeIt.com. Now, a lot of my people that watch Maymay, and she did a whole live on these 49 and Market albums. And I am actually using my albums that I have in my stash for this Italy wedding. I'm making 20 plus mini albums, and so I decided to use what I had here first, and then I will start making the albums. So I wanted to show you, it looked like some people had some questions on that video, and she gave a lot of good examples, but I wanted to show you some things that I had done. So I have this one. Now this was the first round of albums. I've had these a few years. This is the 49 and Market Foundation 6x10, and I haven't done anything with this one yet, so this one is coming. And if I'm not mistaken, with this album, I'm going to go ahead and open it. I think you actually have to glue the pages in on this album. Let me see. I'm going to go ahead and open this. Sorry about the noise. Okay, like I said, this one is 6 1/4 by 10 1/4 by 1 3/4. So this is a 1 3/4 spine, and then it's 6 1/4 or 6 1/4 by 10 1/4. So when you open this up, yeah, that's what I thought. These I actually have to glue down on the fins. So this album has your hinge system in it. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hinges. And so these pages are designed to go to live on the hinge, however you want to do it. You could do them like this, obviously, right? You could do like a hinge like this. Or what I would probably do is go backwards like this and do it this way. And then have doors on it. Let me show you. So you're just going to take it and glue it. So when you do your hinge, you'll have a pocket, and then you can have some flips as well. So there's different ways of doing these, and when I do this one, I might come on and do this with y'all. I just opened it, and I didn't realize it had these in here like that. I don't know. That's kind of different. So we'll see. We'll do this one. We might do this one together just to figure it out. But like I said, this is an older one. And honestly, I don't think you can get this one now. What I really like about this one is this right here. I love having the closure on here. I do like that. Now, the ones that I'm using right now are the other foundation ones. Now, I had got rid of the plastic on these because I already got them all out. But this is the white one, and this is the black one. The black one is bigger. Do you see? These are definitely a different size in width. Sorry about that. Let's see. In length, it might be a little bit different. I don't think it really matters. But this one is 6 1/2, and this one is, I believe, 6 1/2 too. Yeah, they're both 6 1/2. So when you open them, the white one, it has 3 signatures, and they fold out, right? So that's the white one. Okay. This is the black one. Let's see if it's the same. Oh, this is not the same. Wait a minute, I got it upside down. This goes this way. Okay. So this one has page designs in it. So this is a belly band that you would magnetize, and you open it up. Ooh, I really like this. And this is designed for a waterfall, and your waterfall pieces are in here. Okay. See, I hadn't even looked at this one. I just assumed it was like the white one. And then that goes down. And then this one, you have the belly band, so you could take it under. This one folds out. This one folds. Oh yeah, I like this one. I really like this one. And this one, this is a pocket. Yeah, and I have to glue that. I have to glue that, which is no big deal. As a matter of fact, I'm just going to go ahead and glue that right now while we're on. Not a big deal at all. Let's just glue this really quick because this, I've had this for so long. Now, none of them have done this. None of them have come and done like that at all. I've not had any issues at all with these. So I'm just going to let that dry, and then that flips. And then this is a pocket. This is definitely a pocket right here. Okay? So let's shut that one up. So let me show you one that I've already done. Okay, so this one was black, but it's this white one. This is the black version of this one, okay? And what I used in it was 49 Market's Whispering Way. And I used almost, I mean, I have some little squares and stuff. This is the one full piece that I have left of this. Isn't that beautiful? And I intentionally left this piece because I thought that I could do like a 12 by 12 scrapbook page with this. It's so cute. I love it. And then I also used the solid cardstock that came, that you can order separate. And I will link these below. Wherever you can find these. I know Maymay probably still has it, and Cherry on Top as well. Alright, so that's what I used. And this is what I did with it. Okay, so let's make sure we're in screen here. Okay, so this is just some really cute ribbon that I bought. Where I bought it, I don't know. I've had it. And it's just on the back here. Alright, this is the front. And this is actually a Maymay stamp. I love this stamp. And I made this to come off. So that's magnetized. And that's just a little heart I glued. And then this flips up. So the person we're giving this to will have room for a picture. Now, we're not going to the seaside, the coast of Italy. We're actually going to the country part of Italy. We're going into Rome. And then we're traveling up to the country for the wedding. So I wanted each guest, because the guest list is very small, it's a very intimate wedding, I wanted each guest to have an album for when they went, they would have a place to put their pictures. So I did make a pocket on the front, and I may go back and add some inserts, but all these are 4x6 and 3x4 inserts that I made, and it will perfectly fit a 4x6 photo and a 3x4 photo with a mat. So I did that, so there's no guesswork. They don't have to think about this. And this is just an easy 4x6, and then you want to do this, and this flips. I didn't magnetize this. I almost wish I had of, because it's always open, but that's okay. This I cut from the paper collection, and I just made 2 little flips, and then you have this area for a photo or whatever you want to do with it. This one right here, perfect for a 4x6 photo, and then these open this way. Right here. And I made belly bands. I made these. So these pages right here are the second, right here. It's this right here. It's your second and third. And what I did is I folded one over like this. I changed the fold of the page so they would have mirroring pages like this. Does that make sense? So you can do that. You can change the fold, the flips, you can, whatever you want to do. So I did make 2 belly bands, and they kind of mirror each other. This is from a printable that I have from Genevieve Designs, and these are from the chipboard ephemera for this collection. So I made booklets that go under each belly band, so they have places that they can journal, or they could put pictures. And then let me get these out of the way. These open like that, so you have this side, and this flips up, so you got a picture. This will fit perfect 4x6. This is a pocket, so you can put whatever you want in these little corner pockets. I did the same here. If you notice, this flips up and this flips down. Look at that paper, how gorgeous. I love this. And this paper actually fitted together. I just cut it to where, cut it to fit both pages. But if you actually put it together, it would form the part of the 12 by 12. So there's that. And then over here is the pocket. And then flip it. And here I put a 3x4 waterfall, and I wanted to make this landscape because usually your pictures at a wedding, a lot of them are landscaped. So I wanted them to have a good place for landscape photos. And again, this house is 3x4 perfectly with a mat. And then I just used that same ribbon instead of doing, I could have done a belly band type closure. I could have done magnets. I mean, there's a lot that I could have done there, but I wanted it simple again, so that when this is actually made for a couple, Bryce and his wife. And so, I want them to be able to just be able to open the album and use it. And then the back cover again is a pocket with some 4x6 photo mats. So here I did the pockets, and I actually had to go back and redo them because I did make them expandable to where they would have more room, but I didn't have enough room in the album for those. It was too much, so I had to go back and redo the albums to a flatter pocket. But yeah, so that is what you can do with these albums. Now, who would have thought this album is this? There's so much you can do with them. I will link these. I know Maymay carries these, and if you like doing stuff like this, but you don't like to construct the album, maybe you're intimidated to just sit and make a mini album, and you don't do them because you don't want to make the album itself, then these are perfect, guys. These are perfect. If you're doing events and you just want a quick gift, this is perfect. You didn't have to complicate things the way I did. You could just put paper down and go. Like, for instance, this black one with all the work done for you. This is amazing. I didn't even realize that this was like this. So yeah, this one's probably next. The paper that I have for these two albums I'm using, I got 2 collections of this. Let me just show you really quick. And when I get these done, I'll come back on and show you. I'm doing the 49 in Market. What is this one? Echoes of Time. Isn't that beautiful? I love this. I think this is so stunning. So what Beth did, Beth has sent me the guest list and kind of, you know, what each couple or person is like. You know, I actually have a couple of single men, and so I'm just going to do a very straightforward album. I'm not going to do any kind of like strong embellishments and stuff, just an area that they can put their pictures. So I am going to do them one. But I just wanted to come on here really quick and show you these, and I will show you the rest of them. I have a lot of these to get done, and I think that's why I'm stressed, because I waited. And the reason I waited, I was going to use my paper in my stash, because let's face it, I have a lot. But then I saw some of the paper coming out, and I wanted to wait on that paper. Another one that I'm using, let's see, do I have that here? I don't have it handy. Hang on. All right, another collection that I was waiting on was the Simple Stories. And I got like 3 of these collections. And this is the lavender. Oh gosh, guys, this is beautiful. It's the lavender collection. Oh, look at this paper. So this is another collection that I'm using for these albums. Look at this paper. So Beth has a couple of girlfriends who love purple. So these are the albums. This is the paper that I'm doing those albums in. So I kind of got a late start because I was waiting on certain paper. But now I have all the paper in, and it's crunch time. It's crunch time. So what we're doing is we got these clear bags, and we are going to do a welcome to Italy bag for the guest, and it will have their album in it like that, along with some other goodies. So I'm so excited about this. I think this is so beautiful. I think that it is such a perfect gift, and it means a lot. Beth and Brandon are going to put personal messages in each bag. So we have this. So anyway, just wish me luck getting it all done. I waited too long, and I'm stressed because we are so busy at work. I know season's over. The first round of season's over in a couple of weeks, and honestly, I'm ready for it to be over so I can calm down and start doing what I need to do. All right, guys, I know this was a short video and I didn't really teach you anything. It just kind of did show and tell, but I hope you enjoyed these, and there will be more of these to come because I want to show the albums off as I make them. And then I do have a video coming out this week with the new Catherine Pooler. I mean, look at this goodness. So that's coming. I have to show you this really quick. Look at these cats. Yep, these are purple cats. And these are yellow cats. Aren't these beautiful? Are these not gorgeous? So anyway, I've got that over to the side of my desk. I'm working on that. All right, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Remember, if you like this video, give me a like and subscribe. There's a lot more content coming. I promise. I just kind of settle down a little bit and get this stuff going. All right, guys, until next time. Bye.